Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to boot into the safe mode and fix lag. So how to boot into the safe mode? You need to hold the volume down and power buttons till you enter this quick settings, I would say, maybe not quick settings, this menu over here. Now hold your finger on the power off and stop safe mode. Now you need to draw the pattern or enter your pin code, of course, to the screen lock, to this, yes, the lock screen, and now you will boot into the safe mode. And to fix the lag, you need to just detect which application on your phone is faulty. That's how it works. Let's wait a moment till it boots up. And how to actually exit this safe mode. To exit the safe mode, you need to hold the power and volume down buttons and hit the restart button. And that's it. Bye.